My name is Cindy DeRose, and I'm from Canfield, Ohio. I came to this wellness retreat with Dr. Gandhi because I had a heart attack February 13th of 23, and I started working with Dr. Gandhi after consulting with 2 cardiologists in Ohio. Working with Dr. Gandhi has been life-changing. She helped me reduce my cholesterol naturally, inflammation, and a year ago I had my routine carotid ultrasound, and it was the best report in 14 years. I have less plaque, increased circulation, and I'm just continuing on that path with working with Dr. Gandhi. So I wanted to come to this wellness retreat because I wanted to connect with all the brilliant minds in holistic medicine and learn a little bit more about staying on track with the whole food plant-based diet, staying focused with yoga, and it's just been a life-changing experience here. There were many topics covered. I really got a lot of information from all the speakers. They're brilliant in their field, from everything about a holistic plant-based diet, and that I will take home with me. And the yoga experience with Dr. Gandhi helped me to stay on task, and when I go back, I want to start my day with doing 20 minutes of meditation, 20 minutes of yoga, and 20 minutes of walking outside, have healthy lunch, and then finish it off with a plant-based dinner. And as a reminder, it's important to have a real good sleep schedule, unplugged from technology, because sleep is when your body is recovering the most. So it just really helped me stay, focused even more than I was. It's been great, and the people here, they've been life-changing, and I look forward to continuing along this path. Heart disease is the #1 killer in women and men, and I just want everyone to know that heart disease is 90% preventable if you take the right steps early, and you can prevent disease and increase your lifespan. And working with Dr. Gandhi over the last year, I've experienced that, but to actually experience it firsthand, with all the brilliant doctors, several that I heard from, and it's just great to be here and to talk to all the doctors and Dr. Gandhi one-on-one. It was really great.